The postcard is from my cousin, Guozi. It's all in Chinese. I can't really read any of the words. Do you recognize any of these words? I know. I can use the translator app to understand what Guozi is trying to tell me.
亲爱的 Harper， 你好吗？听说你很快就要来中国了，我感到非常兴奋。我们已经好久没有见面了，所以我非常期待一义和你的到来。我们一定会到机场接你们，到时候见。你的表哥果子。What are you reading, Harper?
Mama, Guozi sent me a postcard, but I can't read any of it.
I can help you. But before that, did you know that there are many places besides China where Chinese languages are spoken?
I know that many places in Asia speak Chinese as well.
You're right. Chinese is used as an official language in places like Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, and Singapore. But it is also widely used by Chinese communities all over the world. There are more than 1.3 billion people in the world that speak Chinese.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
Yes, but even though the written form of Chinese is the same, there are many different dialects or spoken forms of Chinese. This means even when people are talking about the same thing, it can sound different depending on which part of China they're from. The most common dialect is Mandarin, which is the official language of China and taught in schools.
What dialects do you speak?
I speak Mandarin and Cantonese. Cantonese is the second most used dialect.
Where should I start? I want to be able to talk to Guozi when I go and visit him.
You already know more than you think. Do you know how to say hello and goodbye?
Yes. Hello is 你好 and goodbye is 再见. I also know how to say thanks, 谢谢, and mother, 妈妈.
You're off to a great start. Besides, Guozi has offered to teach you Mandarin once we get to China.
I can't wait to meet Guozi and learn some more Mandarin.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at clickview.net. Sign up for free today.